How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Syracuse Aviation, and welcome back to another airport update of Wichita Dwight D. Eisenhower National Airport. Today's Wichita update is the fourth update for the month of August 2022. There's not really any changes here at Wichita, so it's getting hard to make these airport updates at the smaller airports interesting if there's not really a whole lot that's changing. So I may have mentioned this in the past, but I may do a bi-monthly schedule with maybe Sarasota, depending on, kind of what happens. We'll have to see, though. I really like both the airports, so I don't want to have to do that, but if it keeps continuing like this, we'll have to maybe do something like that. But without further ado, we're going to start here in front of us at Gate 2, where we have a Delta Airlines Boeing 717-200, or the MD-95, and this aircraft will be heading out to Atlanta. Next up at Gate 3 is this Allegiant Air Airbus A319 in the new livery. This aircraft is filling in for an Airbus A320 and they'll be heading out to Orlando Sanford. Next up at Gate 4 is a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700 in the Canyon Blue livery with splits. This aircraft will be heading out to St. Louis. And at Gate 5 is a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700 once again. This one is in the Maryland 1 livery, as you guys can see, and this aircraft will be heading out to Denver. Next up here at Gate 6 is an American Eagle CRJ-700. This aircraft will be heading out to Dallas-Fort Worth. And then at Gate 7 is an American Eagle Embraer ERJ-145. This aircraft will be heading out to Chicago O'Hare. And to conclude the update, at Gate 11 is an Alaska Airlines Embraer E175. This aircraft will be heading out to Seattle. So just like that, we have finished the August 2022 update of Wichita. To be honest, it wasn't even really an update. It was just kind of like a copy and paste, if you will, of the July and probably June for that matter. Just the same stuff kind of recurring in every update. So regardless of that, I hope you enjoyed it still. It would be easier to do these updates and a little bit more fun if I had an exact replica or even some GSC. Would be pretty cool. That's something I'll try to get working on in the future if I can. So the glass jet bridges look nice, but I don't know if it's worth doing it just because it's not really an always changing airport. So and you could say that for a lot of other airports that I do as well. I guess personally, maybe it's a little bit hard to find interesting bits of information, if you will. So with all that being said, regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed today's Wichita update. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.